Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you another video. Okay, in this video I show you the best free alternative to Adobe Photoshop. As you know, Adobe Photoshop costs quite too much and it's not free. But here's one software what's like Photoshop, is like a copy of Photoshop, and it's completely free. And I show you what it is. And it's Krita. Okay, as you see, I created a new project. It looks like Photoshop, the GUI, and here. Okay, let's test out the functions. What is it doing? Okay, let's test out the functions. Now, here's the selection tool. Okay, here is the text tool. I can type here text. Please subscribe. No, yeah, okay. And I have so slow PC, but you can scale it. Okay. Here's the rectangle tool or square tool. As you see, the square. Okay, here's the tool for making no arrows, but you know what I want to say. Yeah. Okay. Here's the fill tool. You need to have a layer for this tool, especially like Photoshop. Okay, here is the selection tool too, but it's in this is in circle, this is in square, this is in banana. No, it's like lasso tool. Yes, it's lasso tool. I think it's good. Yeah. Okay. And you can choose here a pen or the here's the eraser. Here's the pen, brush, pencil. You have here millions of edit tools. Yeah, here, edit, here, here's the layers, here's the filters, settings. Okay, and that's it. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and please subscribe. And see you in next video. Bye.